Can we have a few words from Mr. Patrick Tompkins here about the whole drinking competition? Let's get it started.
Okay, obviously take two. Are we rolling now?
We are rolling.
We're rolling. Okay, alright, well I said it once, I'll fucking say it again. Alright. 17 into it.
17.
17 into it. And giant. Alright. I'm gonna lay it out. I'm the best there is. Alright. There's no doubt about that. I am the best there is. I wake up every single morning and I walk into the toilet and I piss excellence.
He pisses excellence.
I piss excellence. When you guys just urinate, I piss excellence.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much no one can strut with my stuff.
Hey.
I'm a big old hairy American winning machine.
Doing a bit of modeling.
Hey, don't stop now. You're in the heat of it.
I'm the best there is.
Thank you, video.
The best there was, and oh, you.
The best there'll ever be.
Best ever be. Shawn Michaels.
What about Sam? What about Sam?
Sam's a piece of shit. He's got nothing. Honestly, you and I both know we're a bit iffy on him. We're a bit iffy on him.
He's a little bit dodgy. He's a little bit dodgy.
I don't know how he caught up with me on 3 beers. All right, like it's not like I was sitting out. Oh, like I'm not gonna back. All right, it's not like no. I don't believe it. I want to go listen to the Kings.
What about your shirt? What about your shirt?
Got my shirt, bring it on right here, motherfucker.
What does it say? We got Team USA.
Team USA. These colors don't run. They don't run.
That's all he's got. That's all he's got. Damn right.